I'm a huge fan of Page and Field Configurator, and we cover its features in great detail in several of our training classes. But there is one feature that it concerns me. So here, let me show you. So I'm in Page and Field Configurator. Let's go ahead and open any one of these. And what I want to show you is the User tab. And it's this idea right here. The ability to apply configurations on a per user basis. Now, the point of Page and Field Configurator is to hide fields, change labels, change default values, mark fields as display only, or mask fields. Would you really do that on a per user basis? Or perhaps is role more appropriate? Now, in our security class, we teach people to apply configurations by role because we can automate security through dynamic role rules. Here's my issue. Let's say you set up dozens of configurations and you look around at your colleagues and, let's just make up some names here. Let's say that John gets this and Jane wants that and Raj gets a different configuration and so on. Okay, a few months pass and John moves to another department. Let's say John was in, how about accounts payable? And now John is in purchasing. Now, these are two related departments with overlapping access, but likely different masking and field configurations. Here's my question. Will anyone revisit configurations, user-based configurations created for John and number one, remove John, and number two, insert John's replacement? Now with roles, this happens automatically. Dynamic role rules automatically reconfigure John's pages based on John's role membership. But what do you think? Should PeopleSoft customers apply configurations by user? I've come up with some justifications. So say, for example, you might have batch and admin system users. Those might be okay, but couldn't those system users be part of a role as well? Anyway, let us know your thoughts on this issue. What do you think? Are there reasons to apply user-specific page and field configurator configurations? Let us know in the comments. Now we have a whole library of PeopleTools tips to share with you. Check it out online at jsmpros.com/allaccess to get access to all of our recorded courses, videos, activity guides, and downloads. Everything. And be sure to check out our live events as well. We teach PeopleTools topics like this every week. Or here's an idea. Do you have a group you'd like to train? Give us a call and let's get something scheduled. Now, before I go, I have a question for you. Do you have an idea you'd like us to discuss in a future soundbite? If so, share your idea with us at soundbites.jsmpros.com. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.